Hi guys. Today's tutorial is for this Bushel rope braid. This is another braids channel where I upload new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to never miss a video. If you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for your support. Begin by dividing out a section of hair at the crown and tie it off with an elastic band and hide the elastic. Clip this first ponytail out of the way. Then divide out a new section of hair from above ears and tie this together with a second elastic underneath the first one. Hide the elastic. Take a small section of hair from the second ponytail and divide it into two sections. Start twisting the sections in one direction and wrap them together in the opposite direction.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice
this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you decide to recreate these hairstyles, hashtag another braid and tag me on Instagram so I can see your creations. I upload videos twice a week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to be in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.